What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw V from BTS official figurines. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna begin with drawing the center of his hair above, so I'm gonna draw a curved line down in the center there, sort of like a wavy shape, and then at the bottom part here I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly to the side, and then make a sharp turn back up there, and then from this point I'm gonna do another strand of hair to the right and then make another sharp turn up, and then another strand at there, and one big one at the side as there. And then below that bunch of hair on the right, I'm gonna draw a sharp turn there, and then for his ear on the right here I'm gonna draw a curved line there and a strand of hair from this point downwards to the side of the ear, and then turn it back up to the side, and I'm gonna extend the line of the ear here downwards to the side of the face. And then behind the ear I'm gonna draw a curved line up for the back of the head, and another strand here and all the way up to the side above, and at the side of that strand of hair another line all the way to the back above the head there. Now going up to where we began, I'm gonna draw a few more curved lines in that section above it, and then one tiny strand of hair here and turn it back to the center of the head and down. Then for the left side of the hair I'm gonna take the front side here, and it's a similar shape on the right to the left direction, and turn it back up to the center of the hair, and another strand above it here and turn it back to the center as well, and one more at the side here going up and all the way there, and then one strand on top of it here going out and back in, and one here and another one at the back, and the triangular shape at that corner. Now below this strand of hair on the left, I'm gonna draw the left side of his head with a curved line down and slightly go out, and then make a semicircle turn to the lower side of the face, no, that now from the right side of the ear here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center of the face, like that. And then on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left side of the face, and then make a slight turn outwards at that corner, and then turn it to the right there. And then for his eye on the right, I'm gonna draw from this point here off center and draw a curved line up, and then turn it to the side. And at this corner, I'm gonna turn it back with a sharp turn towards the center. And then I'm gonna turn it up and create a thick section above the eye, all the way to the front. And then at the upper side, on the left upper side of this eye, I'm gonna add a crease. So we're gonna trace the same shape with a line there. And then for the lower part of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from this point to the center. And we're gonna add a few strands of eyelashes on the lower side, like that. And then for his pupil, I'm gonna add on the top right corner of the eye here a circle, and then we're gonna add another circle in this corner and one in the middle of the eye there. Then for his left eye, I'm gonna take this point here and draw upwards and turn it to the center, and then turn it back down diagonally for the inner side of that eye. And then I'm gonna thicken this portion up, and it becomes thinner at the sides. Above that eye, I'm gonna draw the eye crease like that. And then for his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw from the corner here diagonally to the center, and then make that line thicker and thinner at both corners. Now we're gonna do a similar shape for the right side of the eyebrow. Now for his hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point here across, and then we're gonna draw his finger from this right corner here up to the eye, and then make a semicircle turn back down. Then the other finger to the eye as well. And then I'm gonna turn it back down. And for the other two finger at the side, we're gonna add two curved lines there and extend it back to the wrist. And then below the wrist, on both sides, I'm gonna add a line downwards and another curved line across there. And then below that point on the side, I'm gonna add a line downwards on that side and for the outer side as well, and turn it with a semicircle to the outfit. Then extend that line diagonally down and then go back out, and we're gonna make some folding at the side of the tummy there and another one below that, and towards the center of the outfit we're gonna draw a curved line across, and then as you reach the left side there we're gonna turn that back up and make some fold on that side as well, and then turn that up all the way to the left side below the face. Now for his color, I'm gonna add a line here and then turn it sideways, and then the same goes on this side as well. And then for the tie, I'm gonna add 2 lines on both sides there, and then we're gonna draw across a curved line like that, and on both sides we're gonna add 2 lines and another curved line below that, and then we're gonna add from those 2 points as well downwards a long line all the way to the tip, and a diagonal line to the center on both sides at the bottom part. Now on the side strap, I'm gonna add a line from the shoulder all the way down to the tummy to the waistline on both sides there, and the same goes to the left side of his outfit here. And then halfway on that strap we're gonna add a line, 2 lines across right there on both of the straps. And then for his pants, I'm gonna add a curved line downwards on both sides all the way to the shoes and make a fold on the bottom part there like that, and then we're gonna draw across a curved line, and on the inner side of the pants we're gonna draw some curve on the bottom part and then extend it all the way up to the center of the pants. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here. And then for his shoes, I'm gonna draw a short line at the heels and a curved line to the front and turn it down. And then I'm gonna join the front part of the shoes to the back with a curved line, and slightly above that line we're gonna trace another line at that portion there. And for the right side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the sides, and then on the bottom a curved line across and another one above it. Now on the left side, left arm, I'm gonna add on the corner of his waist here his sleeves and his fingers. So we're gonna add a curved line down, semicircle, turn back up, and the same goes to the thumb and the other fingers. Now for going back to his face, we're gonna add his mouth there. So I'm gonna add a curved line across from this point to the right, and then we're gonna add his nose with a small curved line right there, and another one on the top part of the nose. And for his ears, we're gonna trace the upper portion in the inner corner of the ear here, and at the sides I'm gonna make a turn out and curve it back in at the bottom.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.